Hi friends, today I'm showing you a 400 game small mini portable console. This is like remember the 80s or 90s games that comes. So this is a pack that comes with a small portable console. You can see like this blue one. So this have a lithium-ion battery inside, and this is the manual for this game. This also comes with a second player remote that can fix to this console, and the second player can play. So the first player can play with the remote on the console itself, and the second player can play with the remote. This also comes with the audio video cable that you can actually put and this is the charging cable to charge this console. So this is not a micro USB that you can use, so this is a specific port that you need to use. And here you can just start charging. Just put it here and put it in the USB. So once you put this charging, and you can see there is a small red light that start on the corner of the screen, on the left corner of the screen, and this is a screen guard that comes with this console. So you can just put it, like you can remove the top sheet once you put the screen guard properly. Just take out this sheet. So this one, so there is a protective screen guard on the screen now, and the protective sheet is gone. So to start, there is a start button, and then you can just choose this Chinese and English language. You can also control the volume button from the left side. So this is a collection of 400-in-1 games. So typically I will say there is maybe 100 games and then the versions of it. And you can see that you can choose the game you want to play. So I choose the Mario Bros that I used to play days back in my childhood. And you can just search, it will ask for like the player, and the game started. Screen is bright, and I can easily the control is good, that I can actually play well with it. Now if you want to connect this to the TV, then you can add this attachment that comes with this console, and you can put this audio video cable in your TV. Now there is no HDMI, so you may need a converter from AV to HDMI. This really works well, the sound is really good. I like this, the screen and the bright and the collection of the games. So the manual is there, so if you came across any issue you can solve it through it. Very nice portable console and very fun. Enjoy this console.